Watch this. The bird whisperer. The bird whisperer. Watch this. Watch this, alright? Watch this. Alright, ready? Alright, ready? Watch this. Watch. Just wait and learn. Watch. Watch. Well, they know I'm filming. Where are they? Where are they? That's a whole loaf of bread right there. What the hell, man? Where'd the seagulls go? Man, this flat out redunculous. What the hell? There was just seagulls there. One come, they call all the other ones. What the hell, man? Where'd they go? What the hell? Where'd they, cause they went cause of the storm coming? They don't care. Come on, man, all it takes is one to see it. One. All it takes is one. Come on, man, I see you flying up there. Come on, he's circling. Come on, man, where you going? What the hell, man? What the hell? They're supposed to desert storm the thing. What the hell? Come on, man, it's because of the storm. They don't care about the... Come on, man, they ran for cover. Come and get the food. The bird whisperer. The blurred brain. Insane in the blurred brain. Insane in the brain. Ah. Insane in the blurred brain. Nope, insane. Got no brain. Come on, man. This is redunculous right now. The bird whisperer. This is the nuts right now. What the hell is going on? All it takes is one seagull to call all the other ones. They were just here a second ago. That's why my mom wanted to buy the bread. That's some lonely bread right there. Wow. Wow, I hear thunder. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say when they will come and they will go. They ain't coming. Bird whisperer fail. The bird whisperer. Alright. Look at all that bread. Look at all that. Alright. Failed. They were there a second ago. There's one. Where's it going? Come on, man. Oh, yeah, baby. It's on, boy. Don't worry, I'm not bothering you. It's the bird whisperer. Come on, usually they don't care. He's got a call he don't want to call. He's greedy. She don't want to call anyone else. Wow. You greedy little birdie. Dove. Go ahead, go get it. Call your friends. Call your friends. If you build it, they will come. No, don't go, don't go, don't go. Come on, man. Damn it. I swear I'll stop saying, come on, man. Wait, here's another one coming. Come on, you know it's there. You know it's there. Come on. Come on, come on, baby. I see you like a vulture circling. There's two now. There's two now. Yep, come on, come on. Come on there, you beauty. Come on, you see it. Don't mind me, I'm the bird whisperer. Come on. I'm like Job from Arrested Development. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why are they so afraid of me for? Come on, darn it. I didn't say man. Wait, I'll get them. Now there's two of them. When there's two, then there'll be three. It's gonna happen. They're coming back. I'll just stand right here, quiet, the bird whisperer. Shh. All that bread. There's still a lot of bread. There's no way they're gonna go. They won't leave that bread. There's no way. There's just no way. They won't leave the bread. I guess we're gonna go and then we'll drive by them. Alright, let's do that.